Hey, what's up? Today we have the review of the newest and the most advanced dash camera from Vava company. Vava is a new brand for me, but I see they produce many different devices, such as projectors, IP cameras, baby monitors, and dash cameras. I have a dash cam with the model name of VA-VD00 Pro. The last number 4 means 4K resolution. Also, dash cam has enhanced night vision, 24 hours parking mode, 360 degrees swivel angle, and even snapshot button. The price of a Vava 4K dash cam is $180 on Amazon. Let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of this device. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. After buying dash cam, you get it in this box. There is only Vava and 4K logos on the top. On the bottom you can read information about manufacturer, as the main features are on the side face, such as 4K Ultra HD, emergency recording, Wi-Fi connection, one-button sharing, snapshot, and others. Inside the box there is envelope with the user manual and other documentation. Another box with dash cam itself. One more box with charging cable, cable clips, crew bar, car mount, car charger, and snapshot button. Talking about design of a Vava 4K dash cam, actually it doesn't even look like the regular dash cam. First, the device consists of a dash cam itself and magnetic holder. Later I will show you how to install it in the car. As you can see, Vava dash cam doesn't have display. You can see the live and recorded the video in the app on smartphone. Dash cam is quite compact. It has a round shape with a 70mm diameter. On the front there is a camera lens, while on the back is a reset button and microSD card slot. Micro USB charging port is on the top. There is also a round magnetic mount next to the micro USB port. On the bottom you will find only Vava logo. By the way, Vava 4K dash cam has built-in microphone and speaker. You can see speaker grills on the side faces. To install the camera on the car windshield, you will need a mount. The camera is attached to the mount via magnets. This solution allows to rotate the camera 360 degrees. I have never seen anything like this before. This may be the first dash cam with such mount and 360 degrees rotating mechanism. Vava 4K dash cam also has a snapshot button. It is very simple. You can press the button to take a snapshot or a long press to record 20 seconds video. Now let's open Amazon page and look at the main features of a Vava 4K dash cam. First, I recommend you to read warning tips on Amazon page. As you can see, dash cam will automatically enter rec mode after powered on. If you cannot connect to dash cam Wi-Fi, then press and hold reset button for 3 seconds. Also, the manufacturer says that dash cam cannot be used with mobile devices on iOS system version 13.1, 13.2, and 13.3. As for the features, Vava dash cam supports 4K video resolution, enhanced night vision, seamless footage sharing, 24 hours parking mode, protect video evidence, 360 degrees swivel angle, and snapshot button. It is very simple to connect Vava 4K dash cam to smartphone. First, you need to download Vava application, then open the app and click on Connect dash cam. The next step is to connect to dash cam Wi-Fi network. Return to the app and you will see the dash cam is connected. Actually, the app has only few functions, such as snapshot, video record, gallery, and parking. In the settings you can change dash cam name, Wi-Fi password, choose loop recording time, video resolution, G-sensor, sensitivity, parking mode, turn on/off record sound, LED indicator, audio and watermark. By the way, I forgot to tell you that Vava 4K dash cam has 320 mAh built-in battery. However, it is used only for parking mode. Parking mode monitors your car's surroundings while your car is parked and engine is not running. When dash cam detects a sudden shake collision, it records 15 seconds video. Let's install the dash cam and look at the video quality. First, you need to plug in charging cable in the car cigarette lighter and the dash cam itself. Then, remove the film from the mount and place it on the windshield. The last step is to connect the camera to the mount. That's all. Okay, I have already shot the video day and night. Let's watch them. I think the dashcam is must-have for any car owner. Wava 4K dashcam is one of the best on the market because it has 4K resolution, 360 degrees swivel angle, parking mode, night vision, snapshot button, and other features. Perhaps the only drawback is the lack of the display, but you don't really need it, because you can see the video on smartphone. The mobile device is always with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in Wava 4K dashcam, I will leave the link to buy it in description under the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.